In this video, we will know that how to download and how to install Wi-Fi driver on your laptop or desktop. So let's start the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So guys, first method is launch any browser for download. Okay. So after that, type here under this search box HP driver download. If your laptop is a HP company, so type here HP. If have Dell, type here Dell. And if your laptop have Lenovo, type here Lenovo driver download. Okay, same as it is. And press enter from keyboard. After that guys, click here this first link, driver and software. And type here your laptop serial number here. If you have, type here. If you don't have, we find it. So right click on taskbar and click here task manager option. And after that guys, click here file option and click here run new task. And type here CMD and check this checkbox. Okay, and click here OK button. So after that guys, type here a command same as it is cmd/k wic bias get serial number and press enter from the keyboard. Okay, you can see here your laptop serial number is this. Okay, this is your laptop serial number. Note down it. After that guys, launch again your browser and enter your serial number here. Okay, and click here arrow button. After that guys, under manual update tab, click here select driver and select here operating system. If you use Windows 11, select Windows 11. We have 10, so select 10. And after that guys, find here Wi-Fi driver under this list. So this is your laptop Wi-Fi driver. Click on it. Okay, so click here this Intel wireless driver. And make sure there are recommended option. This is your laptop driver. Okay, so make sure there are recommended and click here download. Should be here recommended and click here download. After that guys, when download completed, go download folder. This is your laptop Wi-Fi driver. Right click on it and click here run as administrator. Click here next, accept. Now click here next. Now install it. Click here install. Next accept. Next install. So guys, you can see here your Wi-Fi driver installed successfully. Finish and finish this button. Okay, and restart your PC after install this driver. So guys, click here. You can see here your Wi-Fi now working here. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.